So, my friends out there, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we're going to talk about Render, as requested in the comments yesterday and also in the Telegram group. And I have to say, I haven't made a video about it in ages. You see this green box? That's our buying zone. I think I marked it down here back in March, April, or May of last year, sometime around then. We were there once and then we had our run. And now we're back here, so there's no better time than right now to make a video about it. If you're interested, definitely stick around until the end. Leave a video and like it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And of course, feel free to rejoin the free Telegram talk and signal group. And if you want to buy or trade Render, you can do that on my partner exchange, BingX. You can find the link in the video description in the comment section. That way, you support the channel with that. So, yes, Render. I honestly haven't thought about it in a long time, but it actually had a very, very good performance. If we look at it from the low point here to the top, that's a 247% increase. So that's pretty much in line with what the average altcoin has done. If we look at the market cap, that's interesting too. You have to say, okay, have a few more tokens come onto the market until the all-time high, right? Let's put it this way. Almost 2x, so you can definitely expect around 200%, just to put it simply. And if we were to project these 200% from the current level upwards, then we would definitely be getting close to this all-time high region. So I would say absolutely this project has a very, very high token inflation, which is of course very, very important. Not something like Filecoin or other tokens. That's already one point. Number one, the bullish one. Point number two, what I don't like so much is that we've left the golden pocket, which we actually haven't done with many altcoins. That means not really good. The structure here, but we're currently in this accumulation zone. We can also set this accumulation zone a bit lower because right now we're currently a bit lower. So that's the zone between $5 and $330. 33 is the accumulation zone. Yeah, I know it's very, very high, 33%, but that doesn't mean you should go all in here. Instead, you should consider putting in different tranches, maybe even into the boxes. Or what I like to do is place an order at the top and another order at the bottom of the box. That way, you have the perfect moving average in case it drops that low. And here, for example, it would have worked perfectly. And the next order, if someone is still waiting, I would only place it down here in this area. From, what do we have here? $1, 167 to almost 92 US dollars. And I wouldn't go any lower at the moment. So at least for now, I don't expect that we'll see these prices. I don't want to panic you here. Still make sure to keep some capital set aside. If we really hit an all-time low here again, but that would be an all-time low at 28 cents. So I don't see that at the moment, which is why these two larger boxes. But I also have to say, and I hope so too, or I hope that with the videos as I've been doing lately, I can keep reminding you a bit that you really take profits. We now had here, we had a mega run. We actually had another run of over 200% here in November. If you don't make a profit, it's your own fault. Be aware of that. When you reach 100%, take some of your investment out. If we go up another 100%, then just take out another 25% and you'll have secured some profits while the rest is just profits. That just strengthens you because when you see this rise and you're back in your buying zone, you think, yeah, damn it. Yeah, well, it might be tax-free, but we've been in this box before, which means we've missed two rises. One could have taken, that's why I'll sometimes be a bit more straightforward with you. What are the resistances? So downwards, as I said, we're currently in this accumulation box. We have, of course, an oversold area in the RSI, so a turnaround, I hope, like with many altcoins, should come sooner or later, and I think it will show. Let's take out the golden pocket. And the goal now would be, let's say, to get this buffer in here, that we then move into the golden pocket, we rise, and it will be exactly 100%, and that's also the perfect resistance for us. That means securing profits here, taking out your initial investment. Then we're in the golden pocket, and then it's about watching. Because if we get that turnaround again, you can say, good, then I'll just take out some of my investment again and double the position back to its original size. But I have only half the risk now because I've already taken out my entire investment. You see, that's the background. And if we possibly get a double bottom, then it's all systems go towards the moon. Price targets for the bull run, I'll tell you quite honestly, are difficult to assess. The all-time high is important, and then we can possibly rise towards $17. Feel free to share your price predictions. And also throw in your other altcoins. I'm only minimally invested here, to be honest, but feel free to share your opinions down below. Leave a like, subscribe, join the Telegram group. See you in the next video.